what's up? It's your boy Chords, back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we are doing the song Traitor by Olivia Rodrigo. So we're gonna have a capo on fret number 3, and we're playing this with basic chords. I'm gonna show you how to play for the beginner player, the intermediate, and the advanced player. All right. So the chords to this song are actually very simple. A minor. Sorry, we have a C first, and C is open 3 2 open 1 open. Then we go to an E minor, which is open 2 2 open open open. And then we go to A minor, which is open open 2 2 1 open. And then F, right? F is basically you bar the first fret, so it becomes 1, and then you play 3 3 2 1 1. So you're playing an E major right in front of your barred fret, right? So we have you betrayed me. That's how the beginner player would play it, right? And the strums are down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, right? So you betray C, E minor, then we have A minor, and then F, right? And then na. Hold on, let me just play the song so that I know I'm giving you guys the accurate chords. Okay, so we have, this is the chorus that we're doing. Okay, so we have you betrayed C to E minor, and then we have A minor, and then F, and then C, E minor, A minor, F, this is now the second time, and then the third time C, E minor, A minor, and then F again. So it's the same, you're playing the progression 3 times for your chorus. Now the verse is C, E minor. It's basically the same as the chorus first time, and then you play it the second time. Memory that you get all in love with someone quickly. Ain't it funny? Third time, and this is kind of like the pre-chorus. Okay, so that's basically it. Now the intermediate player would want to play you betrayed me. This is basically plucking individual strings. So you have for C, you have 5 4 3 2. For G, you have 6 4 3 2 1. And then for A minor, you have 4 3 2 1. And then you have F, which is 6 4 3 2. And then you merge that with strums. Let me just do a little demonstration. So you have you betray me. So the first time you pluck, it brings in like a, I don't know, it sounds neater than just strumming throughout. So you have you betray me. So you pluck and then you strum, you pluck and then you strum, okay? And then the advanced player might want to play it the way I was playing it, and this is basically fingerstyle. So you have okay, so that's fret 5. You slide from fret 3 to 5. and then you come back to 3. That's your C. And now you're playing first fret on your second string, and then you have, so that's 3, 1 open on your first string. So 3, 2, 1, 3, 1 open, 3, 1 open 1, 3, 1, 3, 1 open 1, 3 open, and then slide again. So that's, and then now you're playing A minor, the bass for A minor, and then maintaining that 3rd fret of the first string, and then 1st fret on the 2nd string, and then we have that same pattern that we did before, and then you go to C. This is open, 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 3 on your 2nd string. So open, 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 3 on your 2nd string, 1, 3. So that's the same thing. You're just cycling C, G, A minor, F, and then right now that's, and then 3rd fret on that first string, and then that's a 2 Q 2 weeks. Na, 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 na. That's F 6 4 3. You betray me. Na, 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 na. So that's basically it for the whole song. There's no bridge where the chords change. If you guys want to see a fingerstyle tutorial of this, let me know in the comment section below. I can get to that. Provided a lot of you ask for it. If it's just one person, then I can't necessarily do a video, because yeah, the algorithm won't really push it because only one person wants to see it. So do let me know if you want to see it, and I will get to it. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.